Welcome back to our channel Moneycademy, where we explore the latest strategies for making money online. Today, we're diving into an exciting way to earn $4,000 a week with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Yes, you heard that right. Pinterest isn't just for inspiration. It's a goldmine for affiliate marketers looking to boost their income. So, if you're ready to transform your Pinterest passion into a lucrative side hustle, stay tuned. Let's jump in. Number 1. Understanding affiliate marketing. First, let's clarify what affiliate marketing is. Simply put, it involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for any sales made through your referral link. It's a win-win. Now, why Pinterest? With over 450 million active users, Pinterest is a visual search engine where users go to discover ideas and products. This presents a fantastic opportunity for affiliate marketers since users often come with the intention to purchase. Number 2. Setting up for success. To start your affiliate journey on Pinterest, you must lay a solid foundation. Here's how. Create a business account. Go to Pinterest for Business and sign up. This account type provides access to tools like analytics and ad management, which normal accounts don't have. Optimize your profile. Use a clear, professional profile picture that reflects your brand. Write a catchy bio incorporating relevant keywords related to your niche. This helps people find you. Add your website link so that followers can easily find and explore your content. Create boards around your niche. Think carefully about your niche. It could be anything from DIY crafts to digital marketing. Create boards that reflect your promotional focus. For instance, if you are in the health niche, consider boards like healthy living tips, fitness must-haves, or nutritious recipes. Number 3. Finding affiliate products. Next up, finding products to promote. Here are some steps to consider. Join affiliate programs. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank are great places to start. These networks offer a wide array of products across various niches. Choose your niche wisely. Pick products that align with your audience's interests. For example, if your boards are about home decor, you might promote furniture pieces, decor items, or organization tools. Research high-converting products. Look for products with favorable reviews and ratings. Utilize websites or forums to check what's trending and what consumers love. Tools like Google Trends can be very helpful to see what's in demand. Number 4. Creating engaging pins. Creating attractive, engaging pins is essential to draw traffic. Here are key tips to keep in mind. Use vertical images. Pinterest favors vertical images with a 2:3 aspect ratio. This aspect ratio tends to perform better in terms of engagement. Include text overlays. Attractive graphics are important, but adding compelling, clear text overlays can boost engagement. Use action words like discover, learn, or get your free guide. Optimize pin descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your descriptions. Research keyword ideas within Pinterest itself. For instance, if you're promoting a kitchen gadget, add terms like kitchen hacks or easy cooking tips. Link back to valuable content. Your pins should direct users to high-quality content. This could be a blog post containing a review or a buying guide related to the product. Make sure users find a satisfying experience once they click on your pin. Number 5. Promoting your pins. Now that your pins are live, it's time to promote them. Join group boards. By collaborating with others in your niche, you expose your pins to a larger audience. Search for popular group boards and request to join. Utilize Pinterest ads. Investing in promoted pins can allow you to reach targeted audiences more effectively. Even a small budget can yield significant returns when done strategically. Engage with the community. Pinning your content is great, but don't forget to engage. Repin others' content, comment on pins, and interact with your followers. Genuine engagement can lead to increased visibility for your pins. Important. Consistency is key. Regular pinning and content creation are crucial for maintaining momentum. Aim for a balance between high quality and quantity in your posting strategy. So there you have it. A roadmap to making $4,000 a week with Pinterest affiliate marketing. With persistence, creativity, and a solid strategy, you can harness the power of Pinterest to generate significant income. What strategies are you excited to implement? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy pinning!